want to tell the young people of our nation this morning that it is in their hands. They are the single largest community in Kenya, the community of young people. 70% of our nation is the young people. In their hands, in their talents, in their effort, in their knowledge, is the solution to the challenges that we face as a nation. And they need to stand up and be counted as the young people of our nation. Because in their knowledge, in their energy, in their talent, is the solution of unemployment, is the solution of our enterprises, and is the solution that we are looking for as a nation. They just need to step forward. And together, as a nation, we will march forward.
I've been observing the trends, political trends in this country, and it's very clear that 2022 is not an electioneering year. It is a revolution. It's a revolution that will change the political arena of this country for many decades to come. It is the time for Kenyans to come together.
Kenya belongs to God, and we are telling God to give us a God-fearing president in 2022, one who doesn't act to fear God, but who actually knows and fears God. And we have the man right here. Your Excellency, God bless you. We are praying for you. We are standing with you, and Kenya will be in the right hands because you are a man who fears God. You're a man who honors God. And the giving that you've been giving in churches, that sacrifice will speak for you.